Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Habakli habayde berkejingdawa jong General Secretary ka UDP ba Jimino Mautho banwengno yau nagatanat boarding nagaliang ujem sangma ulaong ba ka Jingsngewkhia jong ka UDP bat kinongelam kadei Hynrei karukom shim yak Sienjam kalong ka Bakla namar ka sorkar kala shim yakilat kilenti habayde bat kini kejinge shushu nakaliang uni menteri ulaong ba kimat kiba ke UDP kawanra kilong kibadai namar ka jing penlip boarding kakta i khna pule kibadang pen kre ya ki exam ba pher na kaliang kujung ulayaro habaidai bat kimat kiba ki wanra namar kilong kibadai Hynrei karukom shim yak Sienjam ka Bakla ha ka jing shisha ka Sienjam ka dei banlong na ka baong kani ka dei ka bala pensa na du manshwa bat ka sorkar ka bamenta kamla ban penbiang yakini kibala pensa da kibun teli kisnem tang hapo ar lane laisnem shushu ulaban rap da kabaong ha ka jingshisha ngidei bane trailang ban wat ikilat kilenti ban penbek yakini kejing ulaong ru bak sorkar kadon kam yak jinge trailang jong upai bar nakaliang umentri katanat boarding ujem sangma ulaong ru bala dadon kibru kibangi haban kenno ngidai ban kenno sya kitu kibru kibala pensa yakini kejingseu nadu manshwa ngidai ru ban kenno sya kitu kibru kibala soy ya kesoskolar haba ya dei berkejingtet boarding kabawanra yakini kejinge hakajela hakini kisngi.
I understand where that comes from. I think that I share the kind of concerns of the UDP and its leaders in expressing something like that, that there is, during the examination time, students are facing a lot of challenges, a lot of difficulties. In general, the public faces so many difficulties every time the electricity goes off. And I share that concern with them, and I appreciate the fact that they are bringing this to light and they are speaking about it. But I'm just would like to say this, that their concerns are very genuine, but their approach is very misdirected. I think that the approach should have been that this is dues of the previous so many years. When you look at it cumulatively, these kind of dues which have accumulated over these years, one cannot expect that the solution can be arrived at within a short period of 2 to 3 years. I think that what we need is to all work collectively. The government is trying its best to find solutions to the problems that are there. But then we need the support of the public. It cannot be, just us doing our bit. So I believe that the approach is misdirected. It should not be directed at the government. It should be directed if there is somebody that needs to be blamed. Then we need to blame it on those people who are responsible for these outstanding dues which have accumulated over these years. We need to direct it towards those who signed these faulty power purchase agreements, which have suddenly brought us and put us in this kind of a situation where there's so many dues to NTPC. We have to direct it at those who promised 844 crores and failed to keep that commitment, resulting in the fact that MECL had to spend 712 crores from their own pockets to cater to the terminal benefits. And these terminal benefits are very important. These are all employees of the MECL who have retired. It is their democratic right to these kind of terminal benefits. So MECL cannot say no to these kind of terminal benefits, and which is what they have done. They have not said no, and they have very hesitantly, but they have done it. They have taken money from their own resources to pay. So I think that this kind of approach should have been directed towards those kind of people, not towards the government of the day, which is trying its level best today. And everyone knows that today the government is trying its best, and because of our efforts, load shedding has been only there in the past. This is the lean season. This is the worst time of the year wherein we have constant load shedding. if you look at the past, you make a comparison, we can remember what kind of load shedding we would have, hours and hours on end. But here we are, because of the efforts of this government, that we have been able to reduce that load shedding to only that specific period of 3 to 4 days where NEEPCO and other power generating companies regulated our power. So there is a stark contrast between what used to happen in the past and now. So all I'm saying is that I appreciate their concerns, but I think it is misdirected.